Hello, we're the PSEG Institute for Sustainability Studies Green Team serving New Jersey Natural Gas concerning energy efficiency. Let's meet the team. I'm Stephanie Brown. I'm a graphic design major at Monmouth University.
I'm Diana Damati. I'm a digital marketing major at William Patterson University.
I'm Tyler McLemore. I'm an electrical and computer engineering major at Rowan University.
I'm Tess Turner. I'm an international studies and political science major at Johns Hopkins University.
And I'm Dylan White. I'm a business administration major at Montclair State University. Starting with an introduction to our company, whose main goal is to support these energy efficiency efforts, New Jersey Natural Gas is a principal subsidiary of New Jersey Resources. They've served more than 500,000 customers in the Burlington, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, and Ocean counties of New Jersey, and their general mission is to help improve the quality of life by using different means of education, healthy living, and environmental sustainability. We've also been working with the Save Green Project. They're a program that is operated and monitored by New Jersey Natural Gas, and they provide generous rebates and financial incentives to help support New Jersey Natural Gas's projects. Lastly, Sustainable Jersey. They're a separate organization supporting municipalities towards their sustainable development. They research the best practices for what a community could and should do to help contribute to a more sustainable future.
This summer, our team promoted energy efficiency to Oceangate, Homedale, and Point Pleasant Beach through the New Jersey Natural Gas's Home Energy Analysis and Direct Install program for businesses. We created outreach materials to target the residential and commercial sectors of each municipality, and we used Sustainable Jersey points as an initiative for the municipalities to follow through with the program. We did some background research on each municipality before working with them, just to get a better idea of who we were targeting in our outreach materials. For example, Oceangate only has 13 commercial businesses, so they only need one business to participate in the direct install program to gain the Sustainable Jersey points. So we made sure to highlight that in our outreach materials for commercial businesses.
So how can this benefit you? Well, there are two main benefits that we've identified. The first is reduced utility costs, and the second is reduced energy usage. And these two things go hand in hand. If you're using appliances that are more energy efficient, then of course your utility bill is going to go down. Long-term effects are things like reduced greenhouse gases, because if you're consuming less energy, then we are producing less energy. There's also the habitability side of things. If you have better insulation in your home, then you're exposed to less extremes in temperature. Better HVAC systems reduce air pollution and mold, and you also see reduced amount of pests in your homes and businesses. This all leads to a safer, more affordable, and more sustainable form of housing, and we believe this all ties into the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which were talked about earlier, and you can see on the right.
And to exemplify the importance of energy efficiency, here are some changes the average household could make. If you turn down your thermostat 1 degree in the winter, it could save about $23 annually. And it could also save about 118 kilograms of CO2, which is also equivalent to driving about 287 miles. And to put that in perspective, the average car mileage is about 21 miles per gallon. Additionally, an average household does about 10 loads of laundry per week. If they are instead done in cold water, it could save about $59 annually, which is 228 kilograms of CO2, which is driving about 551 miles. And lastly, if the average household switched all their light bulbs to LEDs, it could save about $180 annually, which is 678 kilograms of CO2, which is driving 1,650 miles.
Our team used a few different approaches to meet our company deliverables. First, we used initial research. This was done to gather existing information on municipality websites and community metrics. Some of the variables that we found most interesting were the size of the population, the average household income, the average number of businesses, and the average age of that population. We did this research to better understand how to promote these programs to each of the municipalities. We then added qualitative research. With case studies and customer testimonials, with this research, we would conduct an analysis with the information that we found from the testimonials, such as cost of the projects, project types, the incentives that they received, as well as the annual and monthly savings on their utility bills. We use different means of communication, such as email and Zoom meetings, with our company representatives, our municipality green team members, and the mayor of Oceangate. And lastly, we've used our community outreach. This was to create infographics, customized templates, and our informative video. These materials would be provided to New Jersey Natural Gas and the municipalities to use at their own discretion.
One project we worked on this summer was developing a survey using Qualtrics pertaining to direct install. We created the survey to be held for later use that could be used to contact businesses after they had undergone the direct install process to understand what their returns looked like, as well as what motivated them to undergo the process initially. We hope this information could be used to better inform outreach approaches moving forward.
Here's another project. This is process photos of our flyer promoting the home energy assessment. And this project also helped us discover that we wanted to make a video promoting the home energy analysis as well.
We also produced many commercial materials for using sustainable Jersey templates for towns to use for outreach regarding the energy efficiency programs. And here are some examples. The first is an Oceangate tax bill insert that was actually sent to all Oceangate residents in their most recent tax bill describing the home performance with Energy Star program. Another is a Homedale newsletter insert, which Homedale plans to include in their quarterly newsletter. And the final one is a website insert. We found that many municipalities did not have green team web pages describing these programs, and this was an example describing these residential programs as well. These templates were meant to be easy to use and easy to distribute to tap into existing as well as new outreach platforms.
And here are some infographics the team made using Canva and Pictochart of energy tips. We made these for the municipalities to use either on their Green Team's webpage or on social media to make people more aware of the energy saving things that they can do.
This is a screenshot of a video we created for Oceangate, and it's a video presentation detailing the home energy analysis program that New Jersey Natural Gas offers. And this video will be shown at the next virtual town hall meeting that Oceangate has, actually today at 7. So all residents will get a better idea of what the program is and if they want to participate in it. And with this video, along with the tax bill insert we mentioned earlier, Oceangate is eligible for their first ever Sustainable Jersey points.
And here's the kinetic type video promoting the home energy analysis. We decided to make it very typographically based because to really show the information, and I'll just play that for you now.
There's nothing better than relaxing comfortably at home, but have you ever considered how efficient your house really is? Maybe it's time for a home energy checkup. We can help you learn how to make your home more comfortable and save up to 30% on your energy bills. It's easy with a $49 home energy analysis from the Save Green project at New Jersey Natural Gas. One of our certified auditors will conduct an analysis of your whole house, inspecting your HVAC and water heating equipment, insulation, windows, doors, and more. Then when they're done, you'll receive a detailed report that lets you know where energy is escaping in your home and opportunities to save even more. You'll even receive an energy score that lets you know how efficient your home is. Plus, we'll let you know about financial incentives to help pay for any recommended improvements. Use your report to correct small fixes yourself or to get competitive bids from qualified contractors for larger home energy efficiency projects. And after your analysis, we'll even provide you with free low-cost measures, including a power strip and LED light bulbs to help you get started on the road to energy savings. When you're ready to start saving energy and money, we're here to help. Give us a call at 877-455-NJNG to schedule your $49 home energy analysis. That's 877-455-NJNG.
So in conclusion, we were able to help 3 different municipalities, that's Oceangate, Homedale, and Point Pleasant Beach Borough. And in the case of Oceangate, as you heard earlier, we were able to give them their first ever Sustainable Jersey points. But of course, all were able to secure the points as well as the residential outreach program. We were able to fill a gap that we had seen in these green teams for these municipalities. They were doing all the things that they need to be doing in order to get the points, but they lacked the materials and or the manpower to do this communication, the materials for the outreach and the education, of course, in this case. So by filling that gap, we were able to assist them in this program and help them get these points.
For our future recommendations, after working so hard on these projects, we really do see the many benefits that these programs have to offer and how much they really help commercial businesses and residents. But for the future, we do recommend that New Jersey Natural Gas continues working closely with each of these municipalities to help guide and address each of the many components to their programs.
We also found through our research and discussion with community members that while people were really motivated by potential returns and savings, they also really valued other more holistic benefits of energy efficiency as well. People cared about the environment, the health of their homes and of their communities, and we really emphasized that future outreach should prioritize a holistic view of energy efficiency. And finally, we also recommend a more streamlined process of data collection and testimonial collection after the audit and direct install processes, because this data is really crucial in both understanding and communicating the impacts of both of these programs.
I'd like to take a moment to thank all these people on this slide. They've been a massive help to us throughout the project, and this would not have been possible without them. All these people have put in a lot of time and energy into helping us achieve all of our goals with this project. Thank you. And we also like to take a moment to thank our funders.